Did you know that elections don't just shape the country, they can also shape the real estate market? With Donald Trump now elected as president, there could be big changes ahead that might impact your ability to buy or sell a home. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter who you voted for, the real estate market doesn't play politics. These changes can affect buyers, sellers, and homeowners alike, which is why it's so important to stay informed. Whether you're planning on making a move, or just keeping an eye on your home's value, understanding what's coming could make all of the difference. Hi, I'm Christy Newcomb, and as a realtor, I've seen firsthand how big events like elections can shape the real estate market. Today, I'm going to break down 3 key areas where we might see changes and what those changes could mean for you. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about deregulation and housing policies. This administration has historically focused on cutting regulations, and that could include housing. On one hand, fewer regulations might speed up the construction process for new homes, which could be good for buyers looking for more inventory. On the other hand, it might impact things like affordability or sustainability, depending on how those regulations are rolled back. What does this mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, you might see more homes on the market in the coming years, which could create more options. But it's important to stay informed about how these changes might affect things like the cost of building materials or neighborhood planning. Next, let's talk about interest rates and mortgage costs. While the Federal Reserve is the one who sets the interest rates, policies from the administration can influence the economy, and that can impact what the Fed does. Lower interest rates could mean big savings for buyers, making homes more affordable and increasing your purchase power. But if rates go up, it could mean higher monthly payments, which could affect how much home you can afford. Either way, staying ahead of these changes is key for making the right financial decisions. This is why working with a knowledgeable realtor and a trusted lender is so important. They'll help navigate these shifts and make the best choices for your budget. Finally, let's talk about trade policies and how they could affect real estate. This might sound unrelated at first, but hear me out. Tariffs or trade restrictions could drive up cost of building materials like lumber, steel, and other essentials for new home construction. What does this mean for the market? Well, higher material costs could make new homes and renovations more expensive. This could impact buyers looking for affordable new builds or sellers hoping to make upgrades before putting their homes on the market. It's a good reminder to stay informed about how national policies can influence local markets. Now, those are just 3 key areas where we might see changes. The market is always evolving, and while no one has a crystal ball, being informed is the first step to making smart real estate decisions. Whether you're planning to buy, sell, or weigh in your options, it's important to stay ahead of the trends and work with someone who understands how they can affect you. If you're wondering how these changes might impact your real estate plans, let's chat. Leave a comment below or send me a message. I'd love to help create a strategy that works for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more tips and updates on navigating the real estate market.